Today we'll be creating a nano-onion gradient using a wooden tilt. The materials that you will need to complete this experiment is a scraper, nano-onions, a pipetter for 100 microliters, a collagen type 4 6-well plate, and a wooden tilt board with a 7-degree tilt. Next, you want to ensure that the hood and all of your materials are sterile before use. Next, sterilize your hands just to ensure that everything is clean. You will now open the 6-well plate and place it on the wooden tilt board. Now you will extract 100 microliters of nano-onions and apply it to the bottom half of each of the desired wells. Now you will use the cell scraper to scrape the nano-onions around the bottom half of the well. Now you will aspirate the excess nano-onions by tilting the plate and ensuring that you don't touch the collagen on the bottom.
It doesn't want to close. Perfect. There we go. We're just gonna.
Now you have formed a gradient. The best way to demonstrate this is to photograph for documentation. Then you want to keep it on the wooden tilt board and stick it in the incubator at 37 degrees overnight for next day use.
You're good.
Yes. Science.